When the weather is extremely hot and you don't feel like eating anything, this light pumped fish curry is the perfect recipe. It's made with simple spices, full of delicious flavor. Hello everyone, welcome to Hill's Kitchen Book. First I clean and wash the pumped fish well, then I season it with a little turmeric powder and salt. Next, I heat mustard oil and lightly fry the fish and my love potato, and I remove the fish and potato. It's raining and nature looks so beautiful. The cool beach, fresh air and gentle rain create a peaceful feeling. It's a perfect time to relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. I'm blending a few simple ingredients: onion, green chilies, two dried red chilies, cumin seeds, and black seeds. That's it. While the rain is pouring outside, I'm here in the kitchen cooking. Come along and let's finish this delicious recipe together. Here I'm adding fried potatoes and keep stirring. After adding hot water, I let the curry come to a gentle boil. Cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. Then I carefully add the fish and cook for a few more minutes until it's perfectly done. Finally, I garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot with steamed rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe to Hill's Kitchen Book for more simple and tasty recipes.